Did you put it in sport mode when you drove? Wow. If you're selling it, bro, I'll be interested. Oh, let me know how much. We're in Jesse Collingham's Scirocco R, bro. So that is mad. He's already driven it, and what do you think of the car, bro? Honest opinion.
Honest opinion, I think he's a beast. Drives nice. Puts the power down well.
Is this the quickest car you've had?
I'd say yeah.
Mad. There's only one way to find out but to drive it, but you said it's rapid, so I'm not gonna fully give it, but
why don't you put the windows
we'll
on
see.
and hear it a bit.
Okay. Khalas, do a little bit. About when you're giving it, I can hear the dump valves go pew.
Yeah.
I didn't think this car has dump valves.
How a dump valve, it sounds very nice.
It does. MashaAllah, we spoke about this a few days ago, and your goal and dream is to get a fast performance car.
Inshallah.
And bro, worst thing is that you got the BM and you were thinking like, oh my god. And
that was.
And I remember before you got the BM, you were like, I don't know if I want to edit out, but you said, I think it's all by Allah's will.
That's it.
And look how it's worked out, man. But no, me, I like other people doing well because it's good to see, man. You don't want to see no person sad.
But all of the brothers are doing well. It's nice.
It is, man. It is. Genuinely, I have this quote that I say to myself and like people, I'm not winning unless the whole team is winning.
Yes, 100%. When the team wins, it's a different feeling.
It is. And me, genuinely, I want everybody to be winning, so I call everybody a team. Like we're our brothers. Everybody is like, you know, one unity. So I know the area, but I know that's the best road to go down. But
yeah.
Let me go around again. Literally, this is my end.
Well, you can take it straight down that road. That's
on the boulevard. Okay.
Give it a bit there.
I might have to blur it a bit because these roads are not the best for this stuff. But let give it a bit. Bro, that's quick. That is quick. That is quick, man. Didn't put my foot down all the way as well.
Yeah, I know.
Jesse's done a good job.
Yeah,
his videos are authentic, man, so straight up.
When he was saying it was quick, I didn't expect it to be this quick, but
yeah. Wow, that is fast.
And that dump valve sound.
Yeah. It's perfect. It's not super loud. It bangs and all that. It's perfect. Yeah. Pop. I used to go to primary school, open primary school. I went to 90s. Literally, this is like
where you grew up
all my life. Yeah, literally. Wow. I can't believe they've jumped into you, like bumped into you like 8 foot before. But obviously I'm a lot older than you. I don't hang around here. I'm always by the unit.
Yeah.
So this stuff that reminds me so much.
The other thing I noticed as well, for quite a low car, it doesn't like, it's not too bad. Like it doesn't feel like. Don't get me wrong. Obviously, it is a bit like jumpy and that.
Yeah.
For a low car, I've had low cars in the past.
Yeah.
It's not as bad.
Yeah. No. When I looked at it, it's lower than the S4. It's super low. I thought it'd be hard to drive, but it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. It feels like it's coilover. Is it coilovers?
Yeah, it's coilovers.
Like it's normally when you get a car dropped, you still feel the bolt, but it feels proper, like track ready.
Yeah, it does. Like it feels nimble.
Very nimble. Don't rag it.
Yeah.
Like keep it.
I reckon today I'm gonna give it a good.
I know, because you're excited, bro. I can tell. I'm like that all the time. Sometimes like it took me a while to get to where I am now, so like I can afford to like break a car, I'll have another car and everything.
Yeah.
But
I'm not that stage.
Yeah, no, don't.
Right now, I'm still building my way up.
Yeah, because like, if you break something, then you're stuck, and then you need the funds to get out to move on to the next. Keep the ball rolling. But
that's the best.
I'll be honest with you, it is solid. It is a solid car. Brakes are alright. Maybe it's an auto car that like that.
Want to put it in sports mode?
I did do this. Okay. Did you put it in sport mode when you drove? Wow. Jeez. That is mad. I thought it was a four-wheel drive, you know. It's not four-wheel drive. It handles like a proper four-wheel drive go-kart.
It does. So but as the Mark 6 platforms, I'm sure they're not four-wheel drive. I'm sure it's the Mark 7s.
Oh man, that's nice. It's so responsive as well.
Yeah.
Let's go down here. I think second gear, first gear it spins up, so we'll let it, change the gear. Yeah, that's fast. Wow, man, that is rapid. You know what? It's very addictive.
It is.
It's very addictive. I can see why, like, people in these cars just want to hammer because it's so easy. I'm gonna get the Skyline out soon, like for this year. Okay. You'll understand how dangerous like old cars are, bro.
Yes.
I don't know if you have driven an old car before, but they're dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah, very dangerous.
Driven an old car,
that's why I'm very careful now. But this car, it fills me with confidence already. Yeah. Like it's so easy to drive. Let's get a bit of gap. Do a little one. One of my mates, the guy lives here.
Yes, on the left side.
No cars behind me. Do you mind if I give it a little bit?
No.
Sure, he drops gears. First gear, yeah. Okay, a bit more. Okay. I'm dodging the potholes.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I did the same thing.
Yeah, I just want.
Especially because it's low as well.
Yeah. I just want to make sure I don't want to damage the suspension. I'm proper careful when I drive. If I want to, like I say, with my own car, I do fully like thrash it, like. It's beautiful, man. Right, okay, one more. Okay. That's it. It's beautiful. I'm grateful, man. I'm really grateful. Like it's
I'm grateful.
Beautiful car, meant to be. It's so instant. Yeah, it just goes, man. Yeah, it's fast. I'm genuinely mentioning how quick the turbo spools up. I didn't think these were like this quick.
I know.
I thought if you're gonna get R, you get the Golf R, but this is quick as. I've driven a Golf R, a 400 brake one, and it feels just like that. It feels exactly the same.
But obviously this is not stock, so
yeah, that's what I mean. It feels literally like similar.
Yeah.
Let's get it off sport mode. Don't need
I like that spew though.
Yeah. Beautiful, mashallah, man. This is a mad car. If you're selling it, bro, I'll be interested. Yeah, let me know how much. Yeah.
Whatnot. I know you're genuine. Like obviously you've met me, you know.
Yeah.
You've driven the car, whatever.